Do you know you can make a homemade banana ice cream without stress? Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Bake with Apex. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make banana biscuit ice cream for my kids at home. First of all, before we go in, I would like to show you all the things I use. First of all, I use banana, I added milk, I use jumbo biscuit, I use icing sugar and cold water with condensed milk. So these are the list of the ingredients I use. I also added banana flavor to this. So first of all, I brought out my blender, clean it, rinse it a bit, and then go in with my banana. Sorry, my banana was a bit overripe, but since it was overripe, I decided to make ice cream with it so that it will not be waste. So I go in with the banana into the blender jar and also go in with the biscuit, and the next thing there was 2 sachets of crown milk and 3 crown milk, and then the powdered, the icing sugar, and then the condensed milk. So when I'm done putting all this, the next thing I go in with was my water, guys, cold water from the fridge. So I close my mixing jar. All right, okay. I added the banana flavor, yes, before I close the jar, and next thing, boom, I blend everything together. There is no too much stress in making ice cream for the kids at home, and they love it. If you don't make it at home for them, they will buy it outside, believe me. So it was not up to 4 minutes and everything I was done blending. So I have to divide this mixture into 2 because this is banana ice cream actually. So, and you know, banana has yellow color, so I have to divide it into 2 and leave some in a white color and leave some yellow. So this was the yellow one that will look exactly like banana, as you can see me doing in the video. So after that, I have to tie it with my ice cream nylon leather, yes, and tie them separately, the 2 colors separately, and each of the color gave me 4 wraps, and I have a total of 8 ice cream for the kids. When I'm done tying, I line everything up in my freezer for 5 hours, and after 5 hours, ta-da! See what I have here. And the kids love this so much that they said I should promise them that I'll be making this ice cream for them every day. And that was that, guys. If you have banana at home, you have condensed milk, you have sugar, even if you don't have sugar, as long as you have fridge, you can do this. So guys, thank you for watching. This is Bake with Apex. See you again in our next video, and promise that you will like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in our next video.